Okay, so this is Avenida de, just show you real quick. There's the name right there, Avenida de Sido Pais. Sido Pais. So we're just gonna walk down that way, show you some of the apartments as well. Looks like there's a little bit of moisture on the camera, I think. Okay, so stay tuned. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are on this rather loud road. Some of the roads in Macau are quite quiet and some of them are quite loud. This is definitely a loud one with all this traffic. Got a little wall of apartments here and we're just walking along this Macau side. Kind of interesting when you look at it because you can see these little rooftops like that. It's interesting that some people would have some of those as well. Okay, so we're gonna keep walking down, and we're kind of on the northern part of Macau, and we're not too far from Gia Hill Lighthouse, and we're gonna be on this kind of loud road for now. But I haven't really filmed it, and I know a lot of people are interested in a lot of different things, so I think it's pretty good. Those streets like that. And up there is Gia Hill, so we're going to be able to get a little bit of a view of that in a minute. Let's sit outside here. Actually, these ones, Alves Cafe, you can always sit outside. It's a chain, and it's all over the city. And there you go, that's loud here, right? That's Gia Hill Park. So we could go up there, and then you could walk all the way up there and go up to the lighthouse, which is up at the top, way down there. Oh, this is interesting. St. Dominic's Chapel. I just went to another place that's called Hope Clinic, and it had so there's kind of like a bunch of Christian references here. Hope Clinic had gospel music, hospital there. Okay, so this one is I don't know what that one is. You tell me. If you know what that is, let me know. That pink building. This is a loud street. I apologize for that. We're going to be going under a bridge. Then it'll get a little bit more quieter. There's that pink building right there. Now we're on Avenida de Horta y Costa, and we're going to be crossing over here. Oh, there's Pizza Point. We got a place for pizza over there. Handmade pizza. We should stick to our road, but it's so loud. So here's Horta y Costa. Of course I'm tempted to go down that one. I filmed it in here other times because it's a nice main road. But we're gonna go back to our loud one and just kind of give you some let you know what it looks like. Famous. More medical clinics. Yeah, this street has a lot of, I always like that pink, those peach, that yellow one is the police station right there, and then the pink one is another government office as well. Since it is the police, I probably shouldn't film there, but Alba Chef. Interesting as well. So we're just going to keep on walking. Cafe de Rosa. Okay, so we're going to keep on walking down our street right here. But I think what we're going to be able to do is get into somewhere a little bit more quieter. We're going to go down Rua de Silva Mendes. I have filmed this Rua de Silva Mendes before as well. And I think I'll stay on this street while I walk on that way because it's a little bit more quieter. But I did, oh, that dog is like a handicapped dog. Interesting, cool. So yeah, this street right here. I have filmed that street before. So if you wanted to see what that street looks like, I have it. You just have to search for it. And that's our main street right there, which is the police station. So I kind of want to get away from that anyways. It's not good to film around government offices. So, but this right here is a tourist area. This little building. There you go. So we'll try to get another one. You can see Grand Lisboa straight ahead, the casino way up there. So what we're gonna do is just kind of turn around and take a look into this place right here. So Dr. Sun Yat-sen's Memorial House. So that's pretty famous guy. There it is in Chinese as well. It's raining today. Nice house, eh? Memorial House. It also looks like a cool building. Kind of getting caught up in the rain a little bit, but you can see how beautiful that is. I'm gonna get out of here because I got some documents in my hand. I'm gonna get rained on. So we're gonna converge back with our main road in a minute. And we'll just kind of walk along this road instead, but now we're converging back on our main road again. Yogurt dessert. Keep on walking down it. There's a police station, and up behind it is it's really starting to rain now. Construction here. So they're building something up there. I don't know what. Got a big giant hole right there. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking down in this. Try to keep out of the rain. Yokohama. Doing lots of construction on this street. I think that guy had the same shoes as me. Might have to look back at that, but I think he had the same shoes as I did. My shoes are what I like to call as peasant shoes. Okay, so I think we're gonna end it right there. Got a lot of rain and I got some documents in my hand, so this is basically a little stretch that we did. I think the street name might even change, so we'll just end it right there. But at least you kind of get a feeling from that street right there. So, all right, hope you like that.